All right, this segment is sponsored by Trey Harrell Law. Now it's time for Trey Harrell Helps. Trey Helps with attorney Trey Harrell. Trey, we welcome you back to the show. Good to have you with us.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Happy New Year, brother.
Yeah, Happy New Year.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
It's good to be back.
Let's talk about, as we start the new year, remind us and remind all of our viewers what exactly Trey Helps, the philosophy of that.
Like what it's about?
Yeah, what it's all about.
Well, our focus at our firm, we like to say Trey Helps because the whole goal is helping you get back to where you were before the collision, right? It's not a situation where we want to sit out here and just brag about results and that. We have that. You can go to our website and see that, and all cases are different and things work out in different ways. But that's not what it's about. What our focus is, if you call our office, is to help get you back to where you were before the collision.
Oh, fantastic. Let's talk about the collision for a moment. We're going to kind of go off script just a little bit.
Yeah.
If you do get in a collision, if you were to have taken an Uber or maybe a Lyft, how was your Uber response this year?
Oh, there you go. I like how you went around that.
Yeah.
We had a great response for the Trey Helps You Uber promotion on New Year's Eve. We had 299 people utilize a voucher.
Nice.
So we kept about 300 people off the road
Very
who
good.
Otherwise might have had, one or too many cocktails and caused a problem.
Sure.
I'm sure if we did the math, there's some statistic where we prevented X number of DUIs, but that's not the point. The point is, same with Trey Helps.
Yeah.
The point is we were able to help folks not make a bad decision and not cause a problem for them into the new year. So we're grateful for that.
When should I hire a car accident attorney and why?
Yeah. Well, I think that, if you're in that Uber and you get in a collision, or if you're in any other kind of collision,
It's a little different story now.
Different scenario.
Who's at fault?
Yeah, but I think that you should hire an attorney if you're seriously injured, or you're getting pushback from an attorney. I'm sorry, you should hire an attorney if you're getting pushback from your insurance company, or if you're seriously injured. You really should go talk to an attorney after that, because that's how you figure out if you're getting taken advantage of or if you need something a little extra to get over the finish line.
Because a lot of times the insurance company says, it's okay, you're doing fine, just go ahead and sign this check right here and you're taken care of.
Quick settlement. They lure you in, they tell you they're your good neighbor, or they're going to go with the flow, or some other tagline like that, and at the end, they don't go with the flow. They're not your good neighbor, and they don't have you in good hands because they just get you a check and get you out the door, and you got devastating consequences that you're dealing with later on in life.
I know the answer to this, and all of your staff knows the answer to this, but when it comes to what do we need to look for with a car accident attorney, one of the things that I would look for are the reviews from someone. And you guys, I think by law cannot say that we specialize in car accidents, but you do a lot of those.
Yep, we do not say we specialize or we're experts or anything like that. We like to be humble in what we do. We like to be humble in what we do, and yes, we've got over 350 only 5-star reviews. We're very, very blessed for that, and I think that we have that. We have those reviews for the same things you should look for when you're hiring an attorney. You should look for an attorney that's approachable and authentic, right? And I think that we have those reviews because that's how we approach it. I think we have those 5-star reviews because of the Trey Helps philosophy, that helping you get back to where you were before the collision.
Yeah, and it goes a lot back to you and hiring the people that come into your office and what you're expecting of them. Answering the phone.
Answering the phone.
And if you can't answer the phone for some reason, you get that number and you call those people
Returning
back
the calls,
immediately.
As soon as possible. And we also have it set up to where we can text with our clients. So, nowadays, 2025, people don't want to just talk on the phone.
No.
They want to text and a quick answer. And you have direct connection to your case manager, and you're able to text with them and get your question answered very, very quickly. And if it's not answered quickly, I can see that it wasn't answered quickly because I can go back and look at the text, and I can go have a conversation with that case manager to make sure it happens.
Absolutely. How are the fees paid to the attorney from a car accident and individuals? Because a lot of people may think that, well, I've got this car accident, I've got to come up with $5,000 or $10,000 to bring in an attorney to begin with to even look at it.
The exact opposite at my office. We work on a contingency fee, which means we don't get paid unless you get paid. And in that, there are no upfront costs. Consultation's free. Essentially, if you have a problem, call us. If we can help you, we'll take you on as a client, and we'll go from there. And at the end of the day, we'll get paid after we write you a check.
And I want to tell the people also, a lot of people traveling during Thanksgiving, Christmas, the New Year's. There'll start to be more traveling as well as we get into some more warmer temperatures, or maybe they're going to go areas warmer temperatures. The thing of it is, they may get into a traffic accident outside of the state of South Carolina, and laws are different in different states, but they can still give you a call and say, hey, Trey, I'm out in Cali, I'm out in California, I'm on PCH 1 way up near San Francisco.
Well, good for them.
And wine country or something. And I got into an accident, and it wasn't my fault. Can you help me out? And you've got basically a brotherhood of attorneys that you can say, Tom, give me 5 minutes. Let me give my buddy in San Francisco a call, and he will call you back.
Yeah, we're happy to do that. We can get you connected with who you need to be connected with. If you're in an accident anywhere, laws are different, but give us a call, and we'll talk you through it.
Always remember, Trey Helps.
There we go. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yes, sir. We're back with more Lowcountry Live right after this. Stay with us.